The Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport will spearhead national fundraising efforts, including the I Love Jamaica Telethon and Concert series, to support recovery initiatives following the widespread devastation caused by Hurricane Melissa. The telethon is scheduled for Sunday, November 23 from 1 p.m. to 7 p.m. and will feature performances by local and international artists in a show of solidarity with affected communities. Portfolio Minister Olivia Grange announced the details during a media briefing on Thursday at the ministry's New Kingston offices.
So in this regard, we have mobilized the men and women of our creative and sports sectors towards the national hurricane relief effort. We intend to leverage the power of the creative and sports sector to source the necessary resources to assist our brothers and our sisters, particularly those in the Western parishes. The I Love Jamaica initiative has two main components: a star-studded telethon to be broadcast and streamed across the world, and a series of concerts, both pop concerts, secular concerts, and gospel concerts, featuring some of the island's best artists and musicians, as well as Friends of Jamaica, that will take place in the main Jamaica diaspora cities across the world.